this is Logan with etrafficers. Today we're going to be learning how to use the Widgets menu, which is under Website and then Widgets. The Widgets menu controls three things. One, the header, which on my test site here, and on your site as well, is the part at the top, which is the same on every page. The Widgets menu also controls the footer, which is the part at the bottom that's on every page, and page sidebars, which are these elements that can be put on multiple pages. So yeah, we're going to be talking about the header in this tutorial. So basically the way you do it is you click on Website, then Widgets, and let me pull these up side by side so you can see the difference or see how I change it. So the header you'll see is divided into 4 column blocks. Now a website is 12 columns wide. That means that each of these 3 column blocks take up 1/4 of the website width. And you can see that here on the live site. We have the logo, the title, this little questions and social media block, and the search our site widget, which are 4 even columns. Now we can resize these columns just by clicking and dragging on the right-hand edge. So if I knock down the this logo column to a single column wide, you'll see that everything shifts over to the left, and still not quite there, but you know. So that's how you resize those. You can also completely take out widgets by hitting the delete button. And now there's just 3 column blocks. You'll notice this last one will disappear. We can resize them to be to fit evenly. So we'll make them 3 blocks of 4 column wide, which 4 times 3 is 12, so that's all even. On these blocks you can also expand them so that you can edit the text inside. You can also give them padding on top. So if I were to add 10 pixels of padding on the top of this this questions block and hit refresh, you'll see that it scoots down a little bit so that it's not quite flush on top. And yeah, so that's how you edit those blocks. You can also add new columns. I showed you how to remove them. But if you just drag the column block from the left-hand side and just drop it in the header widget space, you can resize it to fit. And so everything on the left-hand side you can drag and drop into a column. So if we wanted to add testimonials, we can drag that in there. I'm not sure that I have any testimonials on this example site, so let's refresh and see. Oh, look, there's some gibberish testimonials that I put in. So yeah, you can just drag and drop everything. You can hit delete to remove the block. And yeah, a quick explanation of these sidebar menus. HTML is the most common. That's what you want to do if you want to add simple text or images or links or what have you. A custom menu is a link to pages within your site. Like, for example, I have here on FHA loans. That's a custom menu. Also, the main menu is a custom menu, etc. You can add a logo, which is just a shortcut to use your company logo. If I were to, for example, remove this image here and put in the logo, hit refresh, you'll see that it's the whatever logo is in the system. So there's that. Site search is a search bar that will search your site, as you may have guessed. Testimonials, I just showed you that. That's rotating your approved and featured testimonials. A Google map is like what we have at the footer here. Just shows your office location drawn from your company profile.